Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Forbearance, Magister of Management, Lecturer of Faculty of Islamic Economic and Business, IJSR, Pontianak, Kalimantan, Indonesia. To those you have a paper on this journal to introduction this research about educational value in Quran. This presentation is for one of the my research in Kalimantan about Al-Quran to educational everyone. To introduce the education is a conscious and well-planned effort to realize, learn actively to develop their potential to have spiritual power, self-control, personality, intelligence, noble character, as well as skill necessary for both themselves and society. Thus, education is the sign of the most influential activities to change the behavior of the society. Educational introduction and interaction in the Quran. How about that? Formulate from the content of the material taught by each educator in the interaction with a student, with a pupil in the society, especially for Muslim and for another Muslim. Education is a process of continuously learning and adaptation, individual culture, value, and ideal of society. That is the process by which the nation prepares the nation to live and life and to fulfill the purpose of life effectivity and efficiency. Al-Quran, Sunnah Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam are the source of a universal science that will never dry out despite being explored continually, including in the study of the field of education. The main will, the basic of Islamic religious education is Al-Quran and As-Sunnah. Besides that, Qiyas, Ijma, and other sorts of guidance of Sharia law. Therefore, this research, I use the method to be able to study a mean of people, even of interaction, theoretical orientation or perspective with the phenomenological approach to use it. The type of research used in this study is the type of qualitative research. Well viewed from the place of research, this research belongs to the type of research librarian. Data collection technique I use in deep interview, and second participant observation, and the third study of document. All of this by Lexi J. Moliong 2007. So, conclusion of this research is the value of Islamic education identified in the Quran as a follow. Value related to moral to God, morality toward fellow human beings, and moral to the environment. Education whose purpose is to shape the character of learners in accordance with the value of Islam. Education and can be used as the method of teaching and planting the value of honesty, respect for the parents, work hard, and so on to the all learners. So, everyone, I hope the research for you and for me and for all of human beings can be used at all of university and institute. Thank you for watching. I am Forbearance, Dr. Magister Management from heart of Borneo, IJSR, Pontianak. See you later.